Okay, so today, let's see, we're recording. Sound fine? Let me see if I can't turn myself up. Turn myself up. Let me get in the yellow there. Excuse me. Okay, I guess that's good enough. I mean, people might be out to get a little closer. There we go. All right, if I cut my hand, I get in the red. That's perfect. And I'm not going to cut my hand. So what we're going to do today is I've been studying from A plus more. I'm on test 20 of 22, but that's not what we're going to do today. Let's see. The function that transfer loaders apply electrical charge sheet. I put false. Okay. All right. Well, I'm still studying this stuff, and we got to 22. So instead of this, what I've done, I have here. I have my own VPN server, and here on the VPN, turn this on, and it connects. This is a OpenVPN, and I connect to my web server, my OpenVPN server on AWS, and it works as a VPN. Let's see what more we can do with it. It says my IP address is 16156. Uh, 172.27.2322. Yep. So my IP address should be 172.27.2322, or might be over here with the 42 because I run with my cell phone tethered for internet because I'm too far from the road for cable, but close enough to the city for 4G. And I got a 5G phone, but the 5G is still not. It's not faster than 4G right now. It's the same, but maybe in the future I'll switch over to my 5G phone and start using about 2 years. So my OpenVPN is 34.238.173.99. That says my IP address. So we're going to come over here, go to my account, and I'll show you what I have. Let's do root user. Alright, so I deployed this with a cloud stack, a cloud formation. Let's see if that's right. Yep, Instance Scheduler. So I would do like AWS Instance Scheduler. And Notepad. Write this down and post in the we'll leave it unsaved. We just won't close it. So I went through this and I studied, and what it does is it has an EC2 instance and possibly a relation database instance. It goes from the DynamoDB and picks up information there. It runs a code. The CloudWatch monitors for the time, and at a certain time it checks, does the code, and does CloudWatch. I don't know. It's been way more complicated. If we check it out, though, so we'll go through and show. This is my automation. I wish I knew more about this, but come over here. We'll go to EC2, which are my online devices. Should be running instance, one running instance. And my running instance is my OpenVPN. So what I did is I launched an instance. Went to the marketplace, looked up OpenVPN. Access server, you get free tier eligible OpenVPN. I ran that. And it's running. If we click on it, we'll check out the tags. We have schedule VPN hours. And this one says schedule start, true, and that's what activated it. If we go over to my Lambda functions, we should be able to find the Lambda function that tells it to Instance Scheduler main. It is 1.8 gigs. It is a way over my head. Main Python. It's got all the stuff loaded. Main Python. I will be learning Python later in a few months. I got to get in that help desk first of all. So it runs this, and it relates to the relation database. So we'll go to the RDS, DynamoDB, excuse me. And this is where I type in the hours for it to run. So I have it running from 8 until midnight. So 8 hours a night, it is down. Where are my tables? Visitor info, that's for me trying to build my website. Maintenance window, config tables. We should go to config tables. Items. And then we have a scheduler. And I wrote down, if we remember from the EC2, and this is way more complicated than I think it should be, but this does work. I feel like Azure probably has an easier way. We just type down, this machine runs from this time until this time. So I typed in VPN hours, and this is VPN hours, and it goes to office hours. This periods is office hours. And so this links to here, office hours. And the office hours it has written down is weekdays, Monday through Friday, 9 until midnight. So, excuse me, so from Monday through Friday, 9 until midnight, it runs. And then it closes down on Friday at midnight, or Friday at 11:59, and then on Monday it starts again at 9 a.m. I don't know quite how it works. Is what I did is, yes, I found the CloudFormation, and I ran this, and it was an idea I got in my head. It's like, I did the video from Network Chuck. I did the video from Network Chuck, and it told me how to make a free VPN online. And I thought, I want to expand on that. I want to make the VPN run when I want it to. And so then I looked up what it can do, and Instance Scheduler, because I figured it'd be a very simple thing, a normal thing to do. And the way it comes out, it might cost me about, right now it's free eligible tier, but it might cost me $10 a month to run this code, DynamoDB, Lambda, CloudWatch. You download the implementation guide. You launch it on CloudFormation. And then you have to figure out how to put the tags correctly so the EC2 instances respond. I thought it'd be very simple and easy. So this is just how it does right now. And because I don't actually use this, I don't use a VPN. We're going to tear this all down. So, nope. Don't need it. I use Brave browser with ads, and it gives me a little bit of money, about $3 a month. It's not much, but it's something. If you don't mind ads, or you can use Brave browser and have no ads and not have $3 a month, but there's no ads. So I'll go to CloudFormation. Let's tear all of this down. Let's go to CloudFormation and see what happens. Pick this one, and we're going to click delete. Delete stack. And that should kill a lot of stuff. And now while I wait for a delete, I will stop recording, and I'll see if I can't put two videos together. And my first time editing. Alright, I still need to download and install a video editor, but in the meantime, so CloudFormation stacks are all gone. So now we're going to see what resources we have. First we'll go to DynamoDB, see what we have here. Is there anything left? Tables. Visitor info, active, good. That is not part of the cloud stack. We'll go to EC2, see if there's anything left. Running instances. I suppose so, because I had to manually install this beforehand. Because the OpenVPN, I installed that for myself. It's still running. We're going to turn this off. We're going to turn this off and delete it because I don't need it anymore. I'm not actually needing a VPN. Actions. Instance state. Stop instance first. We're going to stop it, then we're going to delete it. I'm still free tier, but I don't want to end up spending a bunch of money. I actually spent a bunch of money on Azure because I left the Bastion running, which is like an interface to sign on to the computers online. I accidentally left it on for a month, and it cost me a bunch of money, and I didn't want to go through and talk to them, so I left it on by accident, so I just paid it. Kind of wish I didn't do that. Kind of wish I spent the time to fix it, but that's why it's important to be careful with this stuff, because this is you have a lot of resources. You can easily get into thousands of dollars of equipment being used on a mistake. So we're going to terminate this instance. Successfully terminated, and see what else do we have. Lambda is the Lambda function god. Yep. I think this is the one where I tried to build it myself. Yep, I gotta learn more about Lambda. Any auto scaling? I think that's it. I think I've done everything I needed to fix. That was all. It was pretty easy. Let's check billing and see if anything's going. Billing. Yep, I have a 40 billing alarm. If I get over $40, it will notify me. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. That should be all.